I'm about to give you 5 legit paid survey sites coming up next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to give you 5 legit places that will pay you for your opinion. First of all, people are still asking about, getting paid, making money online just for taking surveys, right? It's been around for years, and I've been making videos on it, telling people like, you know what, there are legit places that you can go to make money online, taking surveys. So I'm gonna jump right into it, guys. I've been doing this for years, signed up with different sites and everything, and some of these out of these 5 I actually made money from, still connected with to this day. I still get emails, and a couple of them I'm not with, but they have really, really good reviews and they've been around for years. All right, so the first company is Survey Club. Okay, now Survey Club is pretty much a database of the most known survey site companies that once you sign up with Survey Club, you actually you fill out a profile, and you put all your interests in, all of that. It take a second, whatever, but once you got everything filled out, you have the opportunity to actually get invites from several companies, and especially like different panels you actually be able to be a part of, and you can actually apply for. And the panels, in a lot of situations, a lot of people try to get hooked up with panels because they make $100, $150 if you get accepted into a panel. They also will have you hooked up with a whole bunch of other survey sites where you can make actual cash after you take the surveys. All right, the second place I want to talk about has been around for years, and that's Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars, man, I heard about them like maybe 10 years ago, and they still around. I heard about them through basically an ad getting paid for reading emails. That's how, to me, Inbox Dollars initially started, right? People would just have different advertisements, right? And they would just send you emails, and if you open your email and actually look and click on the actual ad, you actually earn money just for doing that. So eventually they actually ended up moving more into the paid surveys. They still actually do the paid emails as well, so you can do that. And it's very, Inbox Dollars has thousands of members, and people are still making money. It's funny because I checked one of my email accounts the other day, a different one I never really checked, and I look and I'm like, damn, I got all these messages I never looked at, and they were all inbox. Like all of them was from Inbox Dollars. Didn't even mess with it. Seriously, I could have made a couple bucks probably, but I was busy at the time. All right. So next up, another spot you can check out is called Survey Junkie. This is one I've always heard about, but never really messed with. But it's very similar to kind of like Survey Club, but it's just another place where you sign up, you get a ton of invites from different companies, and it allow you to create a profile. And guys, when you create these profiles, you do want to be, I know it takes a minute, some people get annoyed when they got to fill out these profiles, but it's what you got to do to get paid for the surveys. But you want to be as detailed as possible. You want to keep it real. You want to try to, because the more information they have, the more opportunities you're going to get when it comes to them surveys. All right, so Survey Junkie, very good reviews on it. It's been around a while, and they legit. They have no complaints as far as like any scamish nature, nothing like that. So Survey Junkie is definitely something to check out. The next survey site that I can vouch for definitely is Paid Viewpoint. Guys, in my opinion, Paid Viewpoint is, in my opinion, one of the easiest sites, because as soon as you sign up with Paid Viewpoint, you start taking surveys, right? They give you a ton of surveys. In my opinion, when I started, I signed up with them maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and they start giving you a lot at the beginning, a lot of easy surveys, and start building up your it helps you build up your account, right? And then in my opinion, they start to slow up a little bit, but they definitely pay you through PayPal. I've got paid several times through them, probably made maybe about $200, close to $200 from paid viewpoint. Super easy to get started with. And it really with them, there's not like a look at my I'm on the grind, my alarm going off. Already up. But yeah, they have very easy surveys. And I was gonna say something, but my alarm threw me off. But anyway, oh yeah, I almost made about $200 with them. And they pay through PayPal, and they're really quick. Once you cash out, like the money's in your PayPal really quick within the next day. And all you need is $15 to cash out with Paid Viewpoint. Paid Viewpoint also has a really cool referral program that once you start, getting involved with Paid Viewpoint, it is so easy. It is very legit, and it's easy to share with other people. So if you get your friends, you can even promote it on like Facebook or Instagram, whatever, but you get like 30% or something like that of whatever your friends earn for life. For life. I still get cash outs all the time from people, from referrals, right? I get at least once a week, or like 3 times a month, I get like a little email from Paid Viewpoint from referrals who are taking surveys, making money, right? So Paid Viewpoint definitely something to check out. Like I got paid by them several times, so I can definitely tell you they super legit. All right. And finally, Swagbucks. All right, is the fifth place where you can go and join to get started, to get paid for your opinion. Swagbucks is another super popular site. It's been around for years, has a lot of members, very few complaints. They have, not only can you get paid for taking surveys, you can get paid for watching videos, you can get paid for shopping. What else? Something else you can get paid to do on there, I forget. But if you just want to go on there to get paid, for your opinion, you can do that. Very easy to get started with Swagbucks. And I forget the cash out with it, but you can actually earn points for PayPal, Amazon gift cards, all that good stuff with Swagbucks. And Swagbucks, it's pretty fun. You could always log into Swagbucks and find a way to make money. There's always money making opportunities on Swagbucks, even if it's not just from taking surveys, right? There's other opportunities, like I said. So guys, listen up. These 5 places, if you're trying to make money doing paid surveys, all you need is these five sites. Really, you could even pick 2 or 3 of these sites and you're good to go. So I'm putting links to all of these sites below so you can check them out and sign up with them. If you already signed up with a couple, and you see something new, sign up with it and get started. Right? I mean, it is a way to make extra cash, but I got to keep it real. On every video I ever talked about getting paid to take surveys, yes, it is legit. Yes, you can earn some money, but you can earn extra money. None of these places are going to get you a full-time income. This is strictly for if you're trying to get, $50 to maybe, if you get involved with panels and stuff, you can maybe make between $50 and maybe $200 in a month. You know what I'm saying? Doing these survey sites. Keep in mind some great tips. Create a separate email account for just your survey. So create something like Donnie107@gmail.com or DonnieSurveys@gmail.com. And when you sign up for all these companies, you want to make sure that you use that email address, because you will get flooded with a lot of invites, and you do not want these invites mixed up with your regular email, where like your work or your friends email you, because they will get lost in the shuffle, believe that. Another thing, guys, if you're serious about making extra money from surveys, you need to be sure to check your email on a regular basis. You also and my computer went out. check your email on a regular basis, and you also want to make time to take these surveys. Take time, like you need to at least take maybe an hour or two a day dedicated to taking surveys. And yes, that money will add up. At the end of the month, you'll be like, oh man, I got $75, I got $50, I got $100. Wow, okay, great. Right? So you can do that. If that's what you want to do it. You have what you need right now. These sites are legit. You can get signed up with them today. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. Comment below. Let me know your favorite paid survey site. You can help other people out, give people ideas. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.